The appearance of the Roewe Pure Electric D6 deeply integrates aerodynamic performance and aesthetics to create an elegant and smooth shape, and achieves an ultra-low wind resistance of 0.27 cd, making the entire vehicle dynamic with its softness and aggressive with its magnificence. The front of the vehicle adopts the horizontally arranged Fengling Breathing front face, with a split design at the top and bottom to create a three-dimensional sense of breathing. The naturally rising muscle lines on both sides of the front cabin emphasize balance and strength. The thin and smooth waistline extending from the headlights to the taillights is lively and bright. When viewed from the side, Roewe's Pure Electric D6 has smooth proportions, and its lines and surfaces are designed in a competent and sporty way. For example, the lines at the bottom have a hip lift effect on the hips, making the body of the vehicle look like it is diving forward. The rear design is equally eye-catching. The LED light strip covering the entire rear and the step design details added at both ends form a harmonious and integrated whole with the daytime running lights on the front face. A new green interior color is adopted, reflecting the previously released nude Songlong green car paint. The center console adopts a new design style, featuring a floating LCD instrument panel and central control display arranged independently, and the dual-spoke steering wheel is in line with other models in the family. At the same time, the air conditioning outlets on the upper part of the center console have a unique design with 4 diamonds or can be turned on and off using the metal handle at the bottom. In terms of power, it is equipped with a single motor with a maximum power of 95 kilowatts and a lithium iron phosphate battery. The cruising range is divided into 2 versions, 450 kilometers and 520 kilometers. In addition, the CTB has adopted body battery integration and integrated thermal management, and has completed the first extreme cold cruising range test in Hilar. The official said that the success rate is 75%. According to the information released, the highlights of the new car will be long battery life and economy. Competitive products include BYD Qin L, Xiaopeng Mona M03 and other models.